Okay, now let's go through the practice test for Chapter 8 on page 469. First problem asks us to explain why this 4 squared times 4 cubed is not equal to 16 to the 5th. Okay, well, let's explode it out. 4 squared is 4 times 4. Right? And 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4. And that equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 to the 5th. And 4 to the 5th is not equal to 16 to the 5th. So that is an explanation. If you follow the logic of multiplying the squares and the cubed of 4 times each other, you see that it's 4/5, not 16/5. Alright, 2 says, write 1/5 using a negative exponent. We're supposed to write 1/5 using a negative exponent. We know that a negative exponent moves the number from the bottom side of a fraction to the top side. So we can just write this as 5 to the negative 1. And that two equations, or two monomials, are the same. 1/5 is equal to 5 to the raised to the negative 1 power. Alright, number 3. Number 3 is define and give an example of a monomial. Define and give an example of a monomial. Well, if we remember, a monomial is a number, a variable, or the product of those two things, a number and variable. Okay, so as long as we're doing multiplication and we have numbers and variables, we're in good shape. So an example of that could be, let's just use an example, 3x cubed. That is a monomial. Okay, let's go on to number 4. Simplify. So we have to simplify A2 B4 times A3 B5. Okay, so we know from our rules that we can add exponents. So let's add the exponents of that. A squared plus A cubed is A to the 5th, and B to the 4th times B to the 5th is B to the 9th. Number 5, we've got negative 12 ABC times 4 A squared B to the 4th. So we're going to multiply negative 12 times 4 is negative 48. We're going to add the exponents. A and A squared is A third. Add the exponents of B and B to the 4th, B to the 5th, and C is all by itself, so C. And so that's the answer to number 5.